so caffeinated. What's not to like in this? It's amazing. So sugary though. Let's start the video. Hello everyone. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Astha and today I will be sharing my April favorites. Wow, April was such a blur. I don't even know where to start. So April was such a long month. Since we were spending so much time at home, I rediscovered few of my existing products. In true sense, rediscovered them. And today I'll be sharing my April favorites. So this video will include makeup, skincare favorites, some fashion favorites here and there, some home appliances because I've been cooking a lot, some random bits and pieces here and there, favorite shows which I've been watching. So yeah, without much talking, let's get on with the video. And please don't mind my hair, it's so frizzy today, it's having mind of its own. I can't even get started on that. Just try to ignore the mess going on. My favorite drink of the month is this Dalgona coffee. I hope that's how you say it. I'm pretty sure everybody would be knowing what this is. It's a whipped coffee made with instant coffee. I'm not a fan of instant coffee per se. I'm very particular about my coffee, when I saw this trend, I was like, this is what we've been doing our entire childhood. If you are from India and you are a 90s kid, you would totally get this. As a child, we used to beat instant coffee, like beat it with spoon, good old hand mixing. And my mother used to make coffee like that with milk, sugar. It used to be a hot coffee. This is the iced coffee version of the good old whipped coffee. So I've rediscovered my love for this because I used to love this as a child, and of course it tastes good because it has loads of sugar in it. I've been drinking this a lot, more than I want to admit. So that is the drink of the month, and I've been enjoying my good old frother. I bought this from Amazon I think 2 years back, and I've been using this so much these days to make this yummylicious thing right here. Drink of the month and appliance of the month. And my husband is like, stop drinking this coffee, it's not good, it's so sugary. I have a problem. I can't stop. Oh, ice. Moving on to makeup and skincare. So being at home, I'm not wearing a lot of makeup. I usually wear makeup if I have a Zoom meeting or a call, or if I have a video to shoot. At home, I just want to let my skin breathe. I don't pile on makeup. I just stay barefaced. But whenever I'm wearing makeup, this foundation is what I'm enjoying nowadays. This is by NYX. It's called Bear With Me. So I tried this on in one of my makeup videos. I will link it here. You can go and check it out. Those are my first impression. So this is a tinted moisturizer, but it has more coverage than a tinted moisturizer. I consider this as somewhere in between a tinted moisturizer and a foundation. So it gives you a medium, sort of a medium coverage, builds on pretty well. But on a day-to-day basis, I just use one very sheer layer of it. Sometimes I mix this with my moisturizer, daily moisturizer, and I use it. It just evens out my skin tone, and it's not overly glowy product, but it's not matte. It's like a demi matte finish, sort of a satin finish if you can call it. Such an affordable drugstore product. I will link it down in the description box if you want to check it out. Highly recommend. And I'm in the shade Beige Camel. That is all I have to say about this amazing, brilliant, beautiful product. So I've been enjoying a few multi-sticks as well, like multitasking products. This is my love of the month. It's my milk. So I've shared my first impression in the same video which I was talking about previously. I've been enjoying this a lot more these days. It's such a beautiful shade, as you can see. And these are such easy to use multi-sticks. I use this as my blush. You do this with your fingers. They're super easy whenever you don't want to wear a lot of makeup. This just comes handy. And I use this on my eyelids as well. So it just gives that very natural blush looking skin, very glowy skin. Doesn't take a lot of your time. In the mornings you can use your fingers. I sometimes use my stipple brush with very gentle hands. Just pat it on your skin, little bit on your nose. Days like these, when you are not going outside and you still want to look put together, these are the kind of sticks which really come in handy. This is my favorite, and it's in the shade Work. Did I tell you guys this is a lip and a cheek tint, so you can use it on your lips as well. I got a smaller version, like a travel size version, and it's going pretty strong. I don't think I need to get the bigger version because it's going pretty good. I'm very sure about this that I will be using this a lot during summer months. So last in the makeup category, I want to share my two favorite lipsticks. This is by MAC. It's called Sea Sheer. So I did a video on my favorite MAC lipsticks. I think it was my last video. I will link it here. So I've shared my MAC lipstick collection. It's a pretty nice video. You can go and check it out. I worked really hard on that video, on the editing part of it. So please go and check it out. So this is Sea Sheer. It's like a mauve nude. Absolutely adore this shade. And this is what I'm wearing today. It's coming out a bit brighter on the screen, but it's not that bright. It's more like a pinkish nude. And I've paired this one with another favorite of the month. This is by Milani. This is called Naturally Chic. This is more like a brownie pressed nude sort of color. Absolutely gorgeous. So I have mixed these two lipsticks and used it on my lips today. Usually like to mix two lipsticks and rather than using just a single one. So these are two favorite lipsticks of the month, Sea Sheer by MAC and Naturally Chic by Milani. That completes the makeup favorite part of it. Moving on to the skincare, I have two favorites. First is this bad boy by The Ordinary. This is a chemical peel. It's AHA and BHA 30% peeling solution. Has such a quirky color to it. I've been using this for over 2 months now. I did a video as well. I will link that video here. I have talked a lot in detail about chemical peeling and chemical exfoliation and how it's different from physical exfoliation and why I chose chemical exfoliation over physical exfoliation and my full skincare routine. So if you want to check it out, there's a link in the description bar as well as here. I can see results on my skin as my skin has become more glowing, more clearer. I want to say I don't usually suffer from acne. I just get hormonal breakouts, so acne is not my first concern. But I was seeing a lot of texture on my skin and a lot of dullness on my skin. And as I was looking through and reading through a lot of information, and when I felt I was confident enough to try out chemical exfoliation, I ordered this. And it's been amazing. And whenever I use this, my skin feels so soft, like baby soft and very supple. It just takes away the dead skin from your face, clears out your pores. So if you are looking for a chemical exfoliation, I recommend this to you guys. You can of course confirm with your dermatologist first before trying anything new on your skin. So this holds good for any of your new skincare that you are trying out. Before you actually put it on your face, do a patch test overnight and see if it reacts to your skin in any way. If it does, obviously stop using it, don't use it. Do a patch test before putting any new skincare. So that's a small tip there. So next skincare favorite of the month is a Belgian brand, and I've been introduced to this I think 3 months, and wow, this is such a brilliant product. How could I not know about this? This is by NIKON. So it's a UV shield. It's anti-aging, and you just have to shake it up like that and spritz it on your face. And just press it on your skin. Perfectly okay to use it over makeup. I usually don't do that, but for the demonstration purposes I did this. But it's perfectly okay to use it over your makeup. I usually use this in the mornings and in the evenings. It's a UV protective shield. It also protects your skin from blue light from our devices, laptops, phones, etc. And I'm actually seeing results on my skin, and it's so good to discover local brands. Actually, it's such a unique product. It does not leave white cast on your face, and it doesn't stain your clothes. So moving on to the next segment, which is fashion, my favorite. Surprisingly, I have only one fashion favorite this month, and it's this dress. This is a black H&M midi maxi dress, depending on your height. For me, it's longer than a midi dress and shorter than a maxi dress. As the weather is getting warmer these days, we are seeing sunshine these days, so I just like to wear this for our walks outside. This is my uniform these days. So I've also done a video on how to style this dress for more formal, semi-formal looks. I will link it here or in the description bar. I think these kind of dresses are quite versatile for spring and summer months. You can wear these for your vacation with tan flats, a beach bag, like that sort of vibe, or you can dress it up with a blazer. I don't think this is in the stock anymore, so it just went out of stock like that, but they have similar dresses and I will link them in the description bar. So moving on to smelling good, and favorite fragrance of the month is by Molecule, my very handy travel size Molecule 01. As you can see, I've already used it quite a lot, and this is a travel version. I just wanted to try it out if it actually works for me, because this is a very unique fragrance. It's made up of only one molecule. I will put the name here, I don't remember. Personally, to be honest, it's like a fresh out of shower fragrance for me, and that's how I've been enjoying this a lot. It's a very good layering fragrance, so you can layer this with your other favorite perfumes, but I just like wearing it on its own. You cannot smell it on yourself, but other people who are passing through or near you can smell it on you, and it's a kind of fragrance people won't be bothered. Like, it's not too heavy, it's not too overpowering, it's just there. You're smelling good, you're smelling fresh. That's what it is. Like in summers, all I want to wear is a very fresh fragrance, something like if you smell it, you feel refreshed. And I was just sitting next to my husband and he was like, what are you wearing? It's smelling so good. And I was like, yeah, I cannot smell it on myself, but you can, so it works. So if you are a perfume fanatic and you want to try out something new, check this out. Definitely check this out. So I've been getting a lot of comments on my videos, and you guys are saying that you are liking my background music and the kind of music that I'm putting with my videos as the background music. Yeah, all the credit goes to this amazing website. It's called Thematic, and it has free music from creators all over the world, and I've been enjoying so much. They have so many categories of music to choose from, and you will find something for yourself, the kind of music you want and the kind of vibe you want for your videos. I have been searching up and down for that perfect kind of music for my videos, and I have found some gems from this particular website. And if you are a content creator, check out this website. It's free to use. All you have to do is register with them, give credits in your videos, and music is something which actually makes your videos stand out, and it just elevates your video quality. And I feel music is very, very important part of creating a video for a YouTube channel. I have watched a lot of series online. Oh my god, so much Netflix, so much Amazon Prime. I mean, you have done it too. You have watched every series on Netflix. Don't lie, don't you lie. So the favorite series of the month on Netflix was Money Heist. Yeah, I don't have to tell anything more about it, and I won't be discussing a lot, but Money Heist was my top favorite of the last month. And also there was a series on Amazon Prime. It's called Panchayat. I absolutely loved that series. The mere simplicity of it, the brilliance of actors. I mean, it was just light-hearted series. Actually just binged it on a weekend and it was done, but felt very authentic. It felt very simplistic, and the actors have done such a brilliant job in that series. If you haven't watched it yet, I highly recommend it. Go and watch it. It will take just a weekend to complete it off. We are on the topic of content creation and making videos online, which I do as my job. I bought a new camera which I'm filming on it right now. This is my camera setup, and this is my Canon EOS M50. Has a flip screen, and I'm seeing, just don't mind the background. Don't mind the background. Don't you mind the background. I have another DSLR. It's Nikon D3200, but it's kind of difficult for me to shoot on it because
it doesn't have a flip screen and it doesn't get connected with my laptop. Blah 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 blah.
That was our first camera, so did not know anything about it and didn't have the budget for anything else. So yeah, that's the story. Now I saved some money and I bought myself another camera, which I'm shooting on it right now. It has a flip screen so that I can see if I am in focus. So this is my tech favorite of the month, my babe right now. So that is it, guys. These are my favorite of the last month. I just wanted to make a sit down video, talk to you guys. I've been doing a lot of high energy and sort of artistic and aesthetic videos. I just wanted to do a plain old simple sit down videos and talk. Yeah, that is it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I post twice a week. You can come back and check out my another video. Yeah, that is all I have to say. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care.